In this video, we'll take a look at the tools that you can use to enhance your marketing efforts with Simply Book Me. All Simply Book Me accounts are automatically listed on Booking Page, our company marketplace. Here, new and current clients can find your business, book with you, and leave their reviews. You can set up coupons and gift cards and enable our loyalty system so your clients can earn loyalty points when they book with you. Products for sale and service add-ons can be configured to help you maximize your earning potential. Google Business, Facebook, and Instagram bookings will seamlessly integrate links to your booking page to the respective social media pages in Google search results. Instagram photo sharing will liven up your booking page with content from your company's Instagram account. Using our client mobile app will allow you to offer your clients a personalized booking app which they can use to book with you. You can also generate a QR code that your clients can scan to access your booking page. Lastly, you can utilize the drag-and-drop custom email creator and the Book Soon notification system to send out newsletters and automated come back soon messages. All these features will help you increase your business and grow your brand with Simply Book Me.